I used to think I needed more products, more time, more effort. But somewhere along the way, I realized I was doing too much. Now I keep it simple, and somehow it feels even better. I used to chase every new thing, every product, every routine, thinking it would make a difference. But now I've learned my face. I know what works and what doesn't. I don't rush, but I don't overdo it either. This isn't just about makeup. It's about how I live now. Slower, more present, more at peace. I don't need to prove anything anymore. I stopped trying to perfect everything and started enhancing what was already there. Just a little here, a little there, and I'm done. My life feels fuller now, not because I'm doing more, but because I'm finally present in it. Taking care of myself isn't about keeping up anymore. It's about coming home to myself. And now everything I do feels intentional, even the smallest moments. I was doing way too much, and now I finally understand. I never needed more. I just needed to come back to me.